What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see we got a brown coat S10 paint job update, man. We here in Jhall Automotive today. Give y'all an update on everything. This probably, I ain't gonna say probably, this probably gonna be your last update. Probably got two more after this, one more after this one more, and then they're gonna be it. They're gonna be it. We're gonna wrap this thing up. So we finna go over here to Jhall Automotive, man, check in so y'all can see what been done, what's been up, cause I ain't hit y'all with no update. And what else? I give y'all one weekly, so I can't remember when it been, but that's what we doing today though. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. Made it down here. Got the door locks. Like I said, I'm gonna switch these out, man. Take them other one back. Ain't no need of having two sets of door lock. It cost more money to ship them back than it is to just take them back to the store. So y'all see where I'm at, man. Y'all make sure get that contact info. I know y'all been, he said y'all been hitting him up, man. He trying to get to everybody. Like I said, there's the contact, Jhall Automotive. Y'all see he getting brown coat right. ASAP Rocky. So like I said, man, he trying to get to everybody. But like I was telling y'all, he do one at a time. One at a time, but you gotta respect that, man, so you can get your stuff back in a timely manner and all of that. So, you know, just like I said, hit him up, get in line, get yourself in line or whatever. So, you know, you can be next in line, then he'll call you when he's ready for you and all of that. So, you know, that's where we at with everything. So, gonna get in here, switch these locks out, then check in with y'all. All right, y'all, so we checking in, man. That's where we at. Look at bed, all prep. Well, I told y'all that where you had to do that work at right there. Man, that's a bend right there too in the actual bed. But y'all know, he said you got it working. You got this thing working. This is the last piece of the puzzle right here, the bed. Man, he would have been finished if the stuff would have just been in better shape than, you know, what we thought it was. He would have been finished, man. But then, you know, remember, had more work to do on the door right here than thought, and then the fender, that's so smooth, man. All of that, I already got the locks out and all this stuff. But see, that's what I'm saying, y'all can see it. See that bend, it's a mean, look at that, you can see that. Dang, man, I couldn't see all that cause the gate, the gate was on, but it bent right there, then it's a mean bend right there, so having to work that out, I mean, you know, it just is what it is, man. I hate you have to go through that extra work or whatever, but you know, just don't buy in the blind, man. Unless it's somebody you really know. They don't buy in the blind next time, but he making it do what it do, man. He making it do what it do. I saw that dent right there. We got that work. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tailgate off my other bed and put it on here because it had the Chevrolet wrote in it and it looked better. So we're gonna put that tailgate on this one, and then we're gonna use it. But after that, man, it's gonna be paint, man. We got a mean color. Y'all see it? It's gonna be nasty, man. Y'all already saw it right here. The cab sitting on go, completely ready. So man, it's about to go down. It's about to go down. It will be painted this week for sure. It will be painted this week for sure. So we're gonna do a little spray out so we can see the color on the palette. Of course, I ain't gonna show y'all that because then it'll ruin the surprise. So this where we at with everything. Like I said, getting that bed about ready. About got it squared away. It just did right here, man. That don't, I don't know how they got like that, but it's a bad bend too, man. It's a sink all right here. It's a big dent all right there. Then you got that knocked in right there, man, like somebody backed up into something and then it just folded it down or something, man. I don't know. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Finna do this spray out. Then I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. So y'all like, yo, we checking in. So we finna mix up just a little bit. We do a spray out. But like I said, I ain't gonna show y'all that. Cause then what the purpose of surprising y'all with the color and the look and all that. Then we just talking, I need to go ahead and get a bed cover. I'm gonna go ahead and get that on the way, which I had planned on getting a bed cover anyway. I love the bed covers on all trucks anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that on the way. That'll help hide some of that dent too, cause that thing deep, man. Probably it'll be hard to get that straight, completely straight, which I ain't tripping, man. You just put stuff in the back of it anyway, but I'm gonna put that cover on there, which I want to have that too, like help kind of keep the temps down with the nitro bottle and stuff, instead of having it pure heat when you at the track. And I mean, it's still gonna get hot under there, but it ain't in direct sunlight. That bottle pressure all the way up. So that what we doing right now, or should I say, Jhall, we doing whatever. We mixing it up. Then we're gonna spray it out and go look at it in the sun. But it's a sick color. It's a sick color. I can't wait for y'all to see it. So we're gonna be debuting that thing soon, man. Debuting it soon. So after we do that, I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, we checking in. So man, he just did that spray out. Both of them, that color sick. It's sick, man. I'm telling you, it look one way, then it look another way, depending on how you looking at it, depending on the time of day and everything. I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy. So now he experimenting with it, so might add a little twist to it to bring it out a little more, and we about to do that. And like I said, we're gonna see how it look. This really gonna be his custom color, cause he adding his touch to it. And man, we're gonna see how this thing turn out. And I'm gonna check back in with y'all, but I can't wait. I can't wait, y'all see this. I promise you it's gonna be sick, man. Haven't seen the color. Haven't seen it, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I just got back. Let me walk over here, this shade. Just got back, man, from Jhall Automotive. Working as usual. That bed, man. That bed, got that bed ready. Like I said, man, that junk took more. Man, I was telling him where the dings and stuff was at in the new parts I had bought, and man, Jhall was like, man, it came out better if I would have just kept them, man. But cause the body work that been having to been done, man. That's the only reason, y'all. He was gonna have my truck ready in 2 weeks, but when we had to, I mean, not we, but he had to do more body work than expected. Cause I literally had to do body work on all the parts that I got, man. It's crazy. I mean, they was in better shape than what was on there, cause they were peeled. The parts I had were peeled, but I literally just we had put parts on there that you had to do body work on there. That's the whole purpose of getting parts, so you have to do minimal body work. That's why I said, man, once again, to reiterate, man, if you gonna sell something, just be honest with it. Just be honest, man. Just be honest at the end of the day. Like, near perfect. I know, and people, when I said this in the other video, I can't remember what somebody said or how he worded it. I mean, he wasn't throwing nothing out there, but I think he said, I don't know if he said people's definition of near perfect different. But at the end of the day, near perfect is near perfect, man. That means minimal, not huge dents. Y'all saw the ding and the bed. I saw it. I didn't see none of that stuff until I got the parts. And at that point, like I said, it was too late. But all the parts had dents, and I can deal with a little something, but man, when you having to do excessive work, it like putting wrecked parts on the truck. Just a little better condition than what was on the truck, basically. Like they was in better condition than it was on the truck. But what I'm getting at is, end of the day, you know, I made a choice. You go on somebody's word and they judgment. Never again. If I don't know you, if I don't personally know you, I don't care if you watch my videos or whatever. If I don't personally know you, man, I ain't buying nothing in the blind no more. I mean, even going down there, man, I would have hate to go down there, went that far, just to turn around, cause you know it dents and dings in there, which that's what I would have did. But I was like, it is what it is now, man. Can't cry over spilled milk. But I'm just saying, at the end of the day, be honest, cause it cost a lot of time. It just been a headache. It been a headache, man. I could have just bought kept the new parts, and man, I've been rolling. But bought a brand new truck bed. But like I said, what got it is I had the parts. I could have got the parts closer, and I knew they were near perfect. Cause I saw them. I had my eyes on them. But you know, I was trying to shop with a supporter, and it just is what it is. It just when I saw that bed, man. When you take that bed off, and then like I said, it's a ding and all that in it, and I don't know, man. But anyway, we about downhill, man. Well, we are down here, ain't no about. That's why we did the spray out. We saw the color is sick. It's sick, man. I can't wait till y'all see this truck. This truck finna turn so many heads on the road. I promise you. When I pull up somewhere, man, gas station, old people, young people, middle people, kids, everybody gonna like it. They gonna love this truck, man. Brown coat is about to be so nasty. Brown coat about to be so nasty, man. It about to be just right there with R&B. R&B clean. R&B clean. It about to be right there with R&B. The color so nasty, man. I'm telling you. I'm thinking about painting Dolo the same color. And having two matching whips, man. Paint Dolo the same color. Now, I can't do everything. I can't do everything that color. Cause it just is what it is. I'm gonna have a color variety. It looks sick when you got color matched whips, but that ain't me. Meat's gonna always be lime gold. Cause this is OG car. Y-chain R&B, it's already clean. The Camaro needs to stay OG color, but I'm gonna add a twist to it. And then we got brown coat. So yeah, man, it's about ready. Like I said, Jarvis confirmed we will be that truck will have paint on it this week. For sure, it'll be painted this week. So let me think whether y'all be seeing it or not. I don't know, cause I was listening to some of y'all comments in the beginning, and y'all was saying basically just wait until it's all the way put back together, which I agree to. I'm talking about all the bezels, everything on it. It been wet sanding and buffing. Show y'all the finished product. So the truck gonna be painted this week. That's for sure. I'm telling y'all that. When y'all see it though, it's gonna be 100% put back together, and I'm gonna roll it out and do an unveiling and everything, and y'all be able to see it. So yeah, man, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm finna get in the house and get this thing edited for y'all and possibly shoot something else. So I catch y'all later, BCG.